Hi, you are welcome in Arduino Learning Lecture Series. Today we will discuss about 16 cross 2 LCD interfacing with Arduino. So let's start this video. We will demonstrate this concept with the help of Proteus software. So open Proteus software. As you can see, this is open now, and we required some components to pick in workspace area. For that purpose, just click on component mode and click on pick devices. So type here for Arduino. Here you will see multiple boards for Arduino, so you have to choose Arduino UNO R3 and click on OK. Next, we need 16 cross 2 LCD. So type here LM016. This is the model of 16 cross 2 LCD. So click on OK. Next, we required preset. Click on OK. So here just we will make connection with LCD and Arduino. So drop here Arduino and rotate it clockwise. Now click on LM016 LCD and just drop here. This is 16 cross 2 LCD. Here in first row you will get 16 columns, and second row you will be able to see 16 column. That's why this is called 16 cross 2 LCD. Means overall you will get 2 rows and 16 columns. So here 16 pins is given by manufacturer. So we need to connect these pins with our Arduino and power supply respectively. So now let's make connection with Arduino. First make it zoom in, that's why you can see it clearly. Now we will just connect our LCD in 4-bit mode. So just we need to make connection. Connect D7 with pin number 2 of Arduino, and D6 connect with pin number 3 of Arduino, and D5 connect with D4th pin of Arduino, and connect D4 pin of LCD with pin number 5 of Arduino. So data pins are connected. Now it's turn to give power supply to our LCD. Here for power, just you need to move in component mode. So click on component mode. Here you will get some power options. So from here you have to choose ground, and you have to choose power also. So click on power and click in your workspace area. So this is placed in your workspace area. Now just we need a preset to control LCD brightness. So we will just click on preset and place it in your workspace area, as you can see here. So rotate it anti-clockwise so we can make connection easily. Connect its one terminal with power supply, second with ground. Here just we have to connect VDD pin with positive supply of 5 volt, and VSS pin we have to connect with ground. Now it's turn to control brightness of LCD. For that purpose, here one third pin is provided. Third pin of this LCD is VEE. From here we can just control the brightness of LCD. So just we need to connect this pin with preset third pin. As you can see, this is connected now. Here some control lines in the LCD is given, that is name RS for stands for register select, and fifth pin is RW, that stand for read write, and pin number 6 is E, that is enable. So just we will connect these pins also with Arduino. RS pin just you have to connect with pin number 6th of Arduino, and connect RW with ground, and enable you have to just connect with pin number 7 of your Arduino. So completely the connection is completed now. Now it's turn to program our microcontroller, means Arduino. So what we have to do, just we need to move in Arduino IDE software. So open Arduino IDE. As we have programmed with Arduino IDE in earlier videos, so here you have to just click on new tab and just delete your pre-written codes. Now we will just start here the coding for Arduino. So just we need to include a header file for our LCD. So just we will write here include liquid crystal.h. As you can see here, L is capital in liquid and C is capital in crystal. So when it will just find your header file, the color of liquid crystal will just change to red. So now we will just create an integer of integer will be of constant, and just we will write here RS, which we have connected with pin number 6 of Arduino. So we will here write RS pin number 6, and just we have to create EN we have connected with pin number 7 of Arduino. So we will just here write pin number 7. Now just we have connected D7 with pin number 2 of Arduino. So here we will just write 2, and we have just created D6 pin with pin number 3 of Arduino. So we will just here define pin D5 we have connected with pin number 4 of Arduino. So just we will write here, and pin number D4 we have connected with pin number 5 of Arduino. So just we need to declare here all pins. So declaration of the pin is completed. Now we will just create here a variable for liquid crystal. We will create a variable named LCD. You can write here any name of the variable. So I have just mentioned LCD. So you have to just create here a variable for liquid crystal, and in that we will just write the pin of LCD. Means on this variable, whatever the control line or data line we want to use, just we will just write all commands on the LCD variable. So here just we need created pins on our program in this variable. So we will just write here name of all pins. As you can see here, we have mentioned all the pins. Now it's turn to move in void setup function. As you know very well, in void setup function, just we need to set up our pin declaration of Arduino. So in void setup, just we will initialize our LCD. So we will write here LCD dot begin, and in the bracket we will just write here 16 cross 2. Means our model of LCD is 16 cross 2. So we will just write here 16 comma 2. Now setup is completed. It's time to move in void loop function. Here what we want to print in our LCD. First, as you know it very well, our LCD is of 16 cross 2 type. So just we want to write hello on the row number 1 and from column number 1. So just we need to set our cursor on the position of 0 comma 0 0. So we will just write here LCD dot set cursor. So if just we want to set our cursor on 0 row and 0th column, so we will just write here LCD dot set cursor. In bracket just you have to write 0 comma 0. So in this bracket you will see here this is column and second 0 is for row. So this command just we will just it will write your cursor on 0 comma 0. So just we need to print hello on LCD. So we will write here LCD dot print. In bracket just you have to make double inverted comma. You have to write hello. Now it will just write hello on your LCD. So just we need to create a hex file. So we will save this program as LCD, and after saving just compilation will be started. Here you have to wait until finish this compilation. Here one more thing you have to just keep in your mind. If we are creating this hex file for Arduino Uno, so here you have to choose Arduino Uno, and now again create your hex file. So the hex file is created now. You can see here the hex file is created in the given path by Arduino IDE. So build number is ending with 991. So just we will write this hex file in our Proteus. The path of hex file may be different in your PC, so you have to just here see the path generated by Arduino IDE. So now we have to just choose hex file for our Arduino. For that purpose, just you have to double click on Arduino, and here you will get an option for program file. So you have to click on folder option. I have already chosen this build file on the given path, so just double click on hex and click on OK. Now it's turn to simulate our project. So for that you have to click on run button. As you can see here, the hello word is written on LCD. So our project is working very fine. Here if we want to write hello on anywhere on the LCD, for that purpose just we need to modify our code. Here if we want to write hello in second row, so just we need to write here 0 comma 1. Again compile this code, and you need to choose hex file again. Again run on the click button. Here you can see the hello is written on the second row. In the same way you can write anywhere on the LCD. So the video is completed. Thank you.